Hello and welcome to this week's newscast from Power Engineering International. I'm Kelvin Ross. In this week's headlines, Areva has unveiled its latest robot for use in nuclear power plants. MAN Diesel and Turbo has bought Indian steam turbine company MaxWattAnsaldo has won 3 contracts in Egypt worth more than $266 million. The Philippines plans to build 23 new coal-fired power plants by 2020. And Turkey's oldest gas-fired plant is to be modernised with state-of-the-art technology. Areva has delivered to the French Atomic Energy Commission the first in a new generation of robots designed to be used in nuclear power plants. Called RIANA, which stands for Robot for Investigations and Assessments of Nuclear Areas, the robot is capable of operating in radioactive areas to map, take samples and measure radioactivity. Areva calls RIANA the Swiss Army knife of nuclear robotics. It's a motorised platform with interchangeable measurement or sampling modules that can be adapted to any operational situation. Available with 4-wheel drive or caterpillar tracks, it's also equipped with 3D and thermal cameras to reconstitute its environment in real time. It has laser detectors to negotiate its way around obstacles and position itself precisely within a confined space. Areva says all these facilities make RIANA an ideal tool for supporting nuclear dismantling operations, particularly in areas where operator presence is restricted or prohibited. Areva added that the French Atomic Energy Commission has already placed an order for a second model equipped with extra functions, and that other nuclear operators have also expressed an interest in the technology. MAN Diesel and Turbo has bought MaxWatt Turbines, an Indian company specialising in the engineering, production and servicing of steam turbines. The deal will give MAN Diesel and Turbo its first steam turbine production site in India. MaxWatt was established in 2003 and is headquartered in Bangalore, where it employs more than 150 people. Following the acquisition, it will be integrated into the turbo business of MAN Diesel, and the new entity will operate under the name MAN Turbo Machinery India. MAN Diesel said that there was almost no overlaps in the product ranges between itself and MaxWatt, and added that the new base in Bangalore would help it to broaden the scope of its turbo machinery business, not only in Asia, but also in Southeast Asia. Ansaldo has won 3 contracts in Egypt worth more than $266 million. The first 2 deals are for the conversion to combined cycle of 2 power plants, Al-Shabaab and West Damietta, owned by the State Electricity Authority. They involve the supply and commissioning of 3 steam turbines of 265 megawatts each. The third contract is for the open cycle power plant at Al Mahmoudia, where Ansaldo will supply 2 170 megawatt gas turbines. These orders will bring Ansaldo Energy's installed capacity in Egypt to 4,000 megawatts. The Philippines has announced that it plans to build 23 new coal-fired power plants by 2020. With electricity consumption in the Philippines expected to grow by an average of 5.7% annually in the next 5 years, the government is turning to private investment to develop much-needed power capacity. By 2020, the government is also aiming to meet 30% of the country's energy demand from renewables, up from the current level of 23%, and 30% from liquefied natural gas. Plantsman is to turn Turkey's oldest gas-fired power plant into what it claims will be one of the world's most efficient and modern combined-cycle facilities. Hamitabat was Turkey's first gas-fired plant, and Plantsman will replace ageing turbines which have been in operation since the 1980s. 4 combined-cycle turbine units will become 2 single-shaft units. Both units will use the latest Siemens 50 Hz H-class combustion turbines, together with new steam turbines to generate around a total of 1,200 megawatts. Plantsman says this replacement work will increase the plant's efficiency from about 38% to 62%. The project is scheduled for completion in the second half of 2017. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.